my dance along video for the dance called Jingle Bells Ring. It's 4 counts, excuse me, it's 4 walls, 32 counts, beginner level. With my system, I call it a level 3. I'm using the George Strait music of Jingle Bells Rock. The choreographer for this uses the Glee version, which is really fun. It's a lot faster, that one, and that has a little ending. I might make a video of that too, a dance along. So keep an eye out for that. But this would be George Strait. It's a little bit slower. We have no tags and no restarts, okay? Jingle Bells Ring. 5, 6, 7, 8, step walk, step rush, 2 times. Modified rocking chair, cross rock, side rock, we 4. 2 cross points, quarter right jazz, cross, now step side and back, side, rock, recover, side, together, step lock, step rush, twice. Modified rocking chair, go cross rock and side rock, 3, 4. 2 cross points, quarter right jazz, cross, side rock, recover, think side rock, recover, side, together, step lock, step rock, side. Modified rocking chair, cross rock, side rock, beat 4. 2 cross points, quarter right jazz, cross, recover, side rock, recover, step, step rock, side. Modified rocking chair, cross from side rock, beat for 4. 2 cross points, quarter right jazz, cross, think side rock, recover, side together, step lock. Cross rock, side rock, 3, 4. 2 cross point, quarter right jazz, cross. Side rock, recover, side together, step lock, let's rock. 2 times. Modified rock, cross, side, beat 4. 2 cross point, quarter right jazz, cross. Side rock, recover, side together, step lock, step rock. Modified rock, chair cross, slide in, and weave for 4. 2 cross points, quarter jazz, cross. Recover, side rock, side together, step lock. Yes. Okay, good. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you missed it and you need to go back to the lesson, click the top pop-up here or click the bottom one. Maybe I'll give you like another holiday one down there. Okay, have fun. Hope to see you in a sec.